Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up conditional logic that will run based on your end user's answers. So my first question in my survey here is, what is your favorite animal? And depending on what the end user selects will determine what the next questions they will receive in the slide. And not just the next one, but it could be future ones as well. So let's get started with that. To set up your conditions for the slide flow and the order of your slides, you're going to click on this icon right here. It looks like a flow, and at first, if you're on the default flow, it's going to have every single question going one after another. But sometimes you may not want it to be that everybody answers every question, but instead you'll have a different order and questions based on how they respond. So let me just show you my other questions. So after they say what their favorite animal is, they'll either get this question, why did you pick a lion? Why did you pick birds? Or why did you pick fish? So let's set up the custom flow now to support our logic. I'm going to delete these. These are old, so I apologize. Delete. Delete. Okay, so let's start with just adding in all of our question nodes and slides, so you can select all of them. Of course, you can do some at a time if you want to stay organized. Okay, so the first question was, why or what's your favorite animal? So everybody's going to get that question, but then if they answer one way, they'll get slide 2, slide 3, or slide 4. So I'm going to set all of those rules here, add a condition. If your answer is, what is your favorite animal? Label. So the difference between label and value is label is what the end user will see, and value is what's sent to Salesforce. And when you're mapping static questions like this, you see what you're mapping as label and what you map as value. And I only mapped the labels because I didn't need to map the value since they're not going to Salesforce right now. Okay, so if they answer lions, they'll get one response. I'm going to add another rule. If what is your favorite animal equals birds, and you can see it looks up your answers, so that's really helpful. And if what is your favorite animal equals fish, they'll get a different response. So I'm going to click apply. And so we see all of these different options now, and we can map it up to our slides. So this one will go here. Number 2 is lions. Number 4 was birds, or number 3 was birds. Number 4 was fish. You can also tag your questions so that you don't see slide 3 and instead you see the question. I'm sorry, you tag your slides so you're able to know what is what. Okay, and then regardless of what these 3 answers, regardless of which one they go to, the next one will always be finished. So if they answered lions and they say why they picked lions, then it goes to finish. Same with if they were to pick birds and fish. And I could map this here, but there's actually no chance that, I guess I'll go ahead and do that. But there's no chance that they would answer anything that wasn't fish, birds, or lions if it was mandatory. Okay, so now let's click apply, save, and now we can preview. All right, so let's check this out. What is your favorite animal? Between these 3, my favorite is lion. Why did you pick lion? I like cats. And then there we go. And then if we were to launch it again, we could answer a different way, and then the answers would flow in that way too. So notice that we are not getting those other 2 questions. We are only getting the ones that we responded to. Oh wait, I meant to say I love the ocean. And I typed I love energy instead. Weird. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope that this video helps.